Trying to get away from her puppy.
She is.
Oh, you yeah. Bosco. Where are you, Bosco? Bosco.
Where's Frankie?
Oh, hey, Frankie. Hey. Oh, you're nibbling on my toes. Nibbling, nibbling, nibble. Ah. Hey. Hey, Shay. Hi, Shay. You gotta look a lot like Buck when you're bigger, Shay. Oh, yeah. Here. Here's some more toys. Here. I know that was Brick's favorite. This was Brick's favorite.
Is that one Brooke's favorite?
No, no, Luna. Yay! You're so cute, guys. Bosco.
Bring the babies back. Good girl. Come on, guys. Let's go on the grass, guys. Come on. Puppies. Come on. That's Shay.
Get it, Shay. Get it, Shay. Get it, Shay.
Yeah, they're getting toys out of the toy box. They're finding their toys. Here's Frankie.
Oh, Frankie. Where's Shay? Oh, there's Shay. There's Shay. Oh, that's not Shay. That's...
The one that don't quite have a name yet.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who was that?
I don't know.
Oh, that's a little girl. Are you having some problems with the step? You can do it. Whoops. You got your toys, Frankie? Get it. Get it.
I want to make sure I move a little more.
What are the rest of you doing?
And what's that camera thing? Or something like that.
Don't break. Briggs is playing on this. You guys get back down here. Come on.
You guys get back down here. You can't do that kind of stuff.
Oops. We're still learning the steps. Oh, here he comes. There comes Shay.
Oh.
Did you find your toy, Shay? Hi, Luna. I'm trying to take pictures of your babies. You got a dress on, Frankie? What is that dress doing? Is it a silly dress?
It's a drama queen. That means you're a queen.
Get it, Shay. Get it, Shay. Get it.